Welcome to 876 Diamond Drive in Gaithersburg, Maryland. How you doing? I'm Chris Thompson with RE/MAX, about to take you on a tour of this great house right here. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, tons of updates. Let's go take a look. Now we're inside. You got a great big tile foyer here, first floor bedroom, laundry and office over here, huge rec room space here, and a full bathroom. Up on the main level, you got original wood floors, beautiful shape. You got 3 great sized bedrooms down here, 2 full bathrooms, huge picture window, and walk out to the patio. The patio's beautiful. Check out this kitchen. We got new LVP, new countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a great space for a table. Spring and summer, they're here. Check out this patio right here. It was just installed a couple years ago. Tons of space, great for barbecuing, hanging out with friends and family. You also have a new roof here.